Empowering entrepreneurial leaders with 5-paragraph business plan. 5-paragraph business plan workshops cover all aspects of the 5-paragraph business plan, as well as how to draw elements from your higher organization's vision to construct your plan, and how to use your plan in the field through fragmentary orders to direct action, all using the same 5-paragraph method. Executive leadership from Mid-Michigan Health were seeking ways to better delegate their authority while maintaining overall accountability of their projects. While at Mid-Michigan Healthcare's flagship hospital, we had the opportunity to conduct rounds with executive leadership to gather intelligence and feedback from personnel on the ground. Throughout the hospital, we saw these Journey of Excellence boards. Mid-Michigan Health is a proud member of the University of Michigan Health System. These Journey of Excellence boards are the metrics and key goals moving forward from an overarching vision for University of Michigan Health System. Each unit has a specific huddle board, drawing information from the Journey of Excellence boards and the hospital leadership to create their boards specific to their unit. These were started by managers and then delegated to team members to keep current. Using the intelligence and information gathered from conducting rounds at the flagship hospital with executive leadership, we were able to construct a 5-paragraph business plan workshop that fit their exact needs of achieving magnet status as a healthcare system. We constructed a 6-hour day-long seminar, came in and kicked the period of instruction to all of their executive leadership, department heads, managers, supervisors, in order to take their vision from higher and build out a business plan for each one of the different facilities that they were going to be working in. Everyone in the Mid-Michigan healthcare system has been positively affected by 5-paragraph business plan. By coming together and working to construct a vision and then drawing from that vision to create their own 5-paragraph business plans, each one of the remote locations, the various sites across Michigan, are better suited to maintain accountability of their overall workings, thus adhering to the vision and the goals set. Contact us today to tailor a workshop that fits your organization's needs. Be sure to check out our 5-paragraph business plan e-courses available now. Empowering entrepreneurial leaders with 5-paragraph business plan.